Google Play Store has a very large galaxy of Android apps to install them, but when it comes to paid apps, it sometimes becomes very expensive. So today I will show you how to get these apps for free. I am your host AB. Welcome to the Tech Guide. So guys, today I am going to install the MX Player Pro, which is a paid app for 320 rupees on Google Play Store. So guys, we are going to use the Black Mart app. Download the app from the link given in the description down below. Now open the directory where the file is downloaded and install the downloaded file. I had installed it earlier, so I am not going. Once the installation process is completed, open up the app. Now in the search bar above, choose the app which you want to download for free. In my case, I am going to install the MX Player Pro. As I showed you earlier, it is a paid application on Play Store. Now, tap on the install button at the top and choose the version. Once the version is chosen, download will start automatically. I am skipping the download process. Once the download process is finished, a pop-up will appear, and now click on the install button. Once the installation process is done, you will see the app installed on your Android device. You can now enjoy the app without paying a single rupee. If really liked the video, smash that like button. Subscribe my channel for more awesome videos. Thank you guys for watching. I am your host AB signing out.